Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys with just a few steps how I do my stick-on nails at home and how I actually make it last longer. So a lot of my friends tend to ask me like, where do you do your nails, like who was your nail technician? But actually the truth is most of the time I just do my nails at home without stress. Like in like 10 minutes I fix my nails and I'm good to go, because actually I like to have very long nails, like nail extension on my fingernails, because I have short nails, as you can see. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few steps. So guys, let's get right into the video. So first of all, I'm going to be sharing with you guys like the few equipment I use for my nails. So first of all, I have my nail polish here. Actually I have my nail polish, so I have my nails as well. I have my nail shaper, and I have of course my dryer, my nail lamp, because I have no patience actually for waiting for my nails to dry. And I have my glue here, and also I have my nail cutter just in case I have to cut. So I also have my nail sticker here just in case I need to use this. So let's get right into the video. So fortunately guys, this is the best angle I could get for my nails right now. It's not so perfect, but first of all I'm going to start my nail shaper here. So first of all I'm just going to file my nails. It's doing the work. Just a little bit. So guys, finally I filed my nails. I cannot even show you guys because it's so ugly, like it's very ugly. So let's get started with the process. So the first thing I do is like I bring out the nails and I check which fits each of my finger, and so I just arrange it, which is basically very easy for me to fix. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll do the same for this other finger as well. So the next thing I basically do, since I have like my old nails that fit, I bring out my nail sticker and I try to fix, like stick on each of the nails right now. So I try to do that carefully so I won't have it looking ugly. Stickers are on, it's time to start sticking it on my finger. So let's get started. This process is a little bit very difficult. You have to take your time. Actually, you have to take your time. It's not so easy, but it looks so beautiful and better. So I have my glue here. I'm just going to stick on my finger and take the first nail, stick it on. That's it. Like that's how it is. Oh, look how cute it is. So that's it basically. So I'm going to stick on the rest right now. Basically this is it. Look like right now. If you want to slay at home, you don't don't have like some special occasions, or you just want to have nails on you, you can actually do this. It's really nice. So right now I'm going to be filing the tip, like using my nail shaper to shape the tip of my nails. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So now that my nails is looking so nice, I'm going to be using this nail polish to just coat it up and to be super cute. So before going further, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like, comment and share as well. Thank you. So now that I coated my finger like 2 or 3 times with the nail polish, I'm just going to dry. So I'm going to dry for the 90 seconds. So guys, this is how it all ended. It looks so cute. Hey guys, so I'm finally done with my nails, and this is how it looks right now. It's so cute, like super cute. And thanks for watching this video.